Hello, welcome back. This is another Python in Excel video. We've got some data over here which we need to convert into this format. Note that each of these week from to dates are 7 days exactly, but the sum only includes the weekdays, so not the weekends. So we need a 7-day range, but the sum of the weekdays, the sales in the weekdays. So let's do it with the Python. Let's do that with Python in Excel. We'll start a new Python cell and get the data that we need into a data frame. But this is currently formatted as text, and we need to convert that into a date. So we can do that by using df.date equals pd.toDateTime on df.date. And after doing that, you'll see that it's formatted differently in the output. That's exactly what we need. Next thing, we need to exclude the weekend sales. So to exclude the weekend sales, we need to identify the day of the week and then filter on that number. So let's see what the day of the week might look like. Day of the week equals df.date.dt. That gives us the date properties, and then we can just get the day of the week. Let's see what that looks like. So these are numbers 0 through 6, and the first 5, so 0 through 4, these rows represent the non-weekend days. So you can see the sum here is 34918, and the sum for the first week is 34918. So we need a filter of less than 5 for the day of the week. And we can just filter the data frame like this, less than 5. Now we've got the dates between the 19th and the 25th of December are these, which are 34918. Okay, we're making progress. Next, we need to create this text string, and we'll do that in a few steps, but we'll start, just to keep things simple, call it group, and it will be df.date.dt. That gives us the dates properties. And what we want to do here is convert the date into the week of that date. So we can do that with this toPeriod method. And then the properties of that, we can get the start time will give us the start date of the week that that date is in. This is what it looks like. So the 19th is the first 5 rows because that's the first date of that week. The 26th is the first date of that week, and so on. The next thing will be to add the end date of the week. And so we'll have df.group, and we are going to concatenate with a dash, and we're going to have df.group plus a time delta, which represents a duration effectively. And we're going to add 6 days. And let's see if that works. It doesn't work because we can't concatenate date time array and string. And that's because this is a date time array, it's not a string, so we can't concatenate it with the dash. So what we need to do is convert this into a text and this into text. Let's get a very quick one-line function called toText, and we'll use the lambda syntax to keep it simple, and it will be d.dt, and d will represent a date that we give to that function, and we'll use the string format time, and then m, and then d. And so that will be year, month, day. For any date that's passed into this toText function, it will format it in that format. So not too dissimilar to the text function in Excel. So we can have toText around this. That will convert the from date. And then toText here, toText. And then that should give us something a bit more sensible looking. This is the right grouping information here. 19 to 25, 19 to 25, 26 to 11, and 26 to 11. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is group by this column and sum this column. That's easy enough. We'll do df.group, and then sales, and then .sum. Okay, so now it has grouped them, but we've got the wrong name here, so we need to just rename as a last step. Rename, and we can rename in place using this, and we can do equals columns equals, and then a dictionary of old name, new name. So group, and that will be, what is it, week from dash to, and then sales will be total sales. What have I done wrong now? unexpected keyword argument columns. Oh, because this is the wrong data type. So when you use the group by function, it creates this data frame group by object. It doesn't create a data frame. So to convert it back into a data frame where we can use the rename method in the way that I've used it, we can stick .resetIndex at the end like that. And that gives us the output. The dates are formatted differently, but I hope you can forgive me for that. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.